Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp chat lock feature not showing. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your WhatsApp. Here we go. Firstly, you can check whether you have chat lock feature or not. For that, open any of the conversation. Here I'm gonna open this one. At the very top, you can find the name. Just tap on it. Scroll all the way down. You can find this option of chat lock. By enabling this toggle, you can easily lock the chat, but in the case you don't have this feature, what you can do is just close your WhatsApp, head towards your Play Store. Now search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. In the case you find the option of update, just tap on that option of update and update your WhatsApp to its latest version. But if you see the option of open as mine, it means your WhatsApp is already up to date. After you update your WhatsApp, you can check whether chat lock feature is available or not. If this doesn't work for you, then you can contact WhatsApp support. For that, open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now you can see this search box. Type in there www.whatsapp.com support. Now open this very first website option, contact WhatsApp. And you will land to this kind of page. From here, select this very first option, WhatsApp Messenger Support. Tap on that option of contact us. Firstly, you have to select your country and then type in your phone number over here. Likewise, scroll down and type in your email address over here. Confirm your email address. Now here you have to choose from which device you use WhatsApp. And then here you have to explain about your problem. You can just explain in the way I have done it. And then you can tap on this option of next step. After you submit request to the WhatsApp support, you're gonna get feedback from WhatsApp within few hours or days through the email address that you have just entered, and that way your problem is gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp chat lock feature not showing. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.